Imagine rolling down the highway in something so luxurious it makes five-star hotels look basic. I'm talking diamond-level comfort on wheels. A motorhome that doesn't just turn heads, it straight up breaks necks. Today, we're diving deep into a rig that feels more like a private jet, mashed up with a luxury penthouse. Welcome back to our channel. And this right here is the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome. From the moment you see this beast, you already know it's not playing around. The exterior screams elite energy. Up front, you've got that iconic Mercedes grille reworked with Maybach flair. All chrome, all confidence, paired with sleek LED lighting that looks futuristic but still classy. The body lines are smooth and clean. No awkward angles, just pure luxury flow from front to back. The paint options are wild too. Deep metallic blacks, pearl whites, even custom two-tone finishes that look straight out of a billionaire's garage. Massive alloy wheels sit perfectly under sculpted arches, and everything about the stance says this thing owns the road. Even parked, it looks like it's flexing dot step inside, and yeah, it's a whole different world. The cockpit alone feels like a high-end S-Class turned up to 11. Premium leather everywhere, real wood trims, brushed metal accents, and ambient lighting that you can dial in to match whatever vibe you're on. The driver's seat is fully powered, heated, ventilated, and massaging, because why not? The digital displays are crisp and smooth, blending navigation, vehicle data, and entertainment like it's no big deal. Mercedes' latest infotainment system is here, voice commands included, so you can literally tell your motorhome what you want and it just does it. That's boss behavior. Move back into the living area, and this is where the Maybach name really earns its stripes. The space feels open, chill, and insanely premium. Plush lounge seating wraps around the cabin, upholstered in buttery soft leather that feels like it costs more than most cars. These seats recline, swivel, and some even turn into lounges, perfect for kicking back after a long drive. There's a massive smart TV, seamlessly integrated into the wall, paired with a surround sound system that hits hard but stays clean. Movie nights on the road? Yeah, this thing has you covered. The kitchen area is straight luxury chef mode. You've got high-end countertops, probably quartz or marble finishes, sleek cabinets with soft close everything, and built-in appliances that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury condo. Induction cooktop, microwave oven, full-size fridge, and plenty of storage for all your road trip snacks. LED lighting under the cabinets keeps everything looking modern and sharp. Even making coffee in here feels fancy, not gonna lie. Slide further back, and you hit the bedroom, and wow, this is where it really gets cozy. A full-size king bed sits center stage, wrapped in premium fabrics and surrounded by subtle ambient lighting that makes the whole space feel calm and exclusive. There's storage built seamlessly into the walls. Wardrobes with mirror finishes, and smart climate controls so you can keep things exactly how you like them. This isn't just a place to crash, it's a legit luxury suite on wheels. Now, let's talk performance. Because all this luxury still needs some muscle. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome packs serious power. Likely a turbo diesel or hybrid setup, engineered for smooth, effortless cruising. It's not about drag racing, it's about gliding. Acceleration is surprisingly smooth. For something this size, and highway cruising feels rock solid. Advanced air suspension keeps the ride buttery, even on rough roads. And drive assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and 360-degree cameras make handling this big rig way less stressful. It's big, yeah, but Mercedes tech makes it feel manageable. Fuel efficiency isn't exactly economica level, But for a luxury motorhome this loaded, it's pretty reasonable. Plus, you're getting long-range fuel tanks, so fewer stops, and more uninterrupted road trips. This thing is built for cross-country cruising in absolute comfort. Now let's get real about the price, because luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is expected to start somewhere north of $600,000. And once you start adding custom options, premium finishes, and tech upgrades, you could easily push past the $1 million mark. Yeah, it's expensive, but you're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying a lifestyle. This is for folks who want the best and don't feel like compromising, even a little bit. So who is this for? This isn't your average weekend camper. This is for high rollers, celebrities, business moguls, or anyone who wants to travel in straight luxury without sacrificing comfort or status. It's flashy without being tacky, powerful without being aggressive, and luxurious without trying too hard. It's basically a rolling flex, and it knows it. And that's the vibe of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome: luxury, performance, and road trip freedom, all wrapped into one insane package. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button. Hit subscribe for more elite rides, and let me know in the comments if you'd roll cross-country in something like this. Thanks for watching Sanch Reviews Hub, and I'll catch you in the next one.